Hello everyone, this is Pranshi Verma. Welcome to the session EC8791 Embedded and Real-Time Systems. In today's session, we will cover Unit 4 Real-Time Systems Multiple Choice Question and Answer for your upcoming examination 2021. Let's begin the session. First question is, in real-time operating systems, blank space, okay. Option A, all processes have the same priority. Option B, a task must be serviced by its deadline period. And option C, process scheduling can be done only once. Option D, kernel is not required. Okay. Here, relevant answer and correct answer is option B. In real-time operating system, a task must be serviced by its deadline period. Okay. Means एक particular task को रियल टाइम ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम उसके डेडलाइन पीरियड मीन्स उसका जो एक पर्टिकुलर पीरियड है कंप्लीट होने का उससे पहले ही सर्विस प्रोवाइड करता है. ओके, मस्ट बी सर्विस्ड, उसकी जो पर्टिकुलर की रिक्वायरमेंट है उसको कंप्लीट करता है. ओके, सो हियर करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. इन रियल टाइम ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ए टास्क मस्ट बी सर्विस्ड बाय इट्स डेडलाइन पीरियड. ओके, next question. Hard real-time operating system has blank space jitter than a soft real-time operating system. Okay, my dear students, two types of real-time operating systems are exist. First one, hard real-time operating system, and second one, soft real-time operating system. Okay, and in hard real-time operating system has less jitter than a soft real-time operating system. Okay, and what is jitter? Jitter is the undesired deviation from the true periodicity. Okay, so in this question, correct answer is option A, less. Okay, hard real-time operating system has less jitter than a soft real-time operating system. Okay, next question. For real-time operating system, interrupt latency should be blank space. Correct answer is option A, minimal. For real-time operating system, interrupt latency should be minimal. Okay, and what is interrupt latency? Interrupt latency is the time duration between the generation of interrupt and execution of its services. Okay, I hope it's clear. Next question. In rate monotonic scheduling, option A, B, C, D are given here. Correct answer is option A. Shorter duration job has higher priority. In rate monotonic scheduling, shorter duration job has higher priority. Okay, मोनोटॉनिक शेड्यूलिंग में जो शॉर्टर ड्यूरेशन के मींस कम टाइमिंग के जो जॉब होते हैं ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को असाइन होते हैं, मोनोटॉनिक शेड्यूलिंग उसको हाईएस्ट प्रायोरिटी देता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन विच शेड्यूलिंग सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ सीपीयू टाइम इज एलोकेटेड टू ईच प्रोसेस. हियर करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, प्रोपोर्शनल शेयर शेड्यूलिंग. ओके, in proportional share scheduling, certain amount of CPU time is each process. Here correct answer is option B, proportional share scheduling. Okay, in proportional share scheduling, certain amount of CPU time is allocated to each process. Okay, next question. The problem of priority inversion can be solved by, correct answer is option A, priority inheritance protocol. The problem of priority inversion can be solved by priority inheritance protocol, PIP. Okay, next question. Time duration required for scheduling dispatchers to stop one process and start another is known as dispatch latency. Okay, this is pretty simple definition of dispatch latency, and this is time duration required for scheduling dispatcher to stop one process and start another is known as dispatch latency. Okay, next question. Time required to synchronous switch from the context of one thread to the context of another thread is called, correct answer is option C, context switch time. Okay, and आपसे क्वेश्चन इस तरह भी आ सकता है 2 marks में, what is context switch time? So answer is time required to synchronous switch from the context of one thread to the context of another thread is called context switch time. Okay, next question. Which one of the following is a real-time OS, I mean operating system? Correct answer here is option D, because RT Linux, BXWorks and Windows CE, they all are real-time operating system. Okay, so correct answer is option D, all of the mentioned. Next question, BXWorks is centered around, correct answer is option A, Wind microkernel. BXWorks operating system is centered around Wind microkernel. Okay. Next question, there are efficiency gains from blank space all sorts of equipment. Option A, implementation. Option B, analogous. Option C, evolution. Option D, digitization. Correct answer is option D, digitization. There are efficiency gains from digitization of all sorts of equipment and measures that used to be analog and disconnected. Okay, correct answer is option D, digitization. Next question, business values can be daunting proposition to figure out how to best harness all this data. This statement is true or false? This statement is true. Because across every industry, organization is looking at ways they can derive business value from IoT, Internet of Things. While some benefits will be related clear-cut, it can be a daunting proposition to figure out how to best harness all this data. Okay, that's why business values can be daunting proposition to figure out how to best harness all this data. Statement is true. Next question, the availability of blank space is the cloud services provider who will host video and data for end users. Option A, devices. Option B, memory. Option C, security system. Option D, objects. Here correct answer is option C, security system. Okay, because the availability of cloud-based security is the cloud service provider who will host video and data for end users, as providers are solely responsible for ensuring the availability and reliability of this particular data. Okay. Next question. SLA stands for, very simple question, service level agreement. Okay, and guys ये question SLA stands for आपसे cloud computing में भी पूछा जाता है. So this is very important question. And not all cloud service providers service level agreement offer that level of guarantee. Okay. SLA stands for service level agreement, and not all cloud service provider service level agreement offer that level of guarantee. Okay, service level agreement एक guarantee level होता है different kinds of cloud services. Okay, next question, a provider which produces 99% uptime blank space. Correct answer is option B, network issues. A provider which produces 99% uptime network issues. Okay, because among the exceptions that release a provide from providing 99% uptime are network issues not within their direct control, client negligence, means acts of God. Okay, scheduling, maintenance and more. Okay, next question. With physical security, the stakes are incredibly, correct answer is option D, high. With physical security, the stakes are incredibly high. So, even if you are working with a limited budget, cloud services are not an area where you should shop for a bargain. Okay, so in this way, with physical security, the stakes are incredibly high. Next question. Issues with connecting to data stored have anything to do with data centers? This statement is true or false? This statement is true. Because the reality is that any issues with connecting to data stored in the cloud rarely have anything to do with the service provider's data center. Okay, so in this way, issue with connecting to data stored have anything to do with data centers. This statement is true. Next question. The most likely culprit is blank space. Here correct answer is option D, internet connectivity. Because the most likely culprit is internet connectivity, leaving end users unable to access their hosted data or even perform management functions. In this way, the most likely culprit is internet connectivity. Okay. Next question. Blank spaces are designed to protect data and servers. Option A, physical walls. Option B, logical firewalls. Option C, both physical and logical firewalls. And option D, neither physical nor physical firewalls. Guys, this is very important question, and here correct answer is option C, both physical firewall and logical firewalls. Okay, because physical and logical firewalls measure are designed to protect the data and the servers where it's stored from theft. Okay, sabotage and damage caused by natural disasters. Okay, so here correct answer is option C. Both physical and logical firewalls are designed to protect data and servers. Next question. Communication between blank space and blank space is encrypted for security. Correct answer is option B, end users and data center. Okay. Communication between end users, sites and data centers is encrypted according to industry standards to further improve system security. Okay. Next question. Undertaking the intervention over an extended period of time would enhance the change of gaining access. This statement is true or false? This statement is true. Because undertaking the invention over an extended period of time would enhance the change of gaining access to revelation about the thinking of biology teachers. Okay. Next question. Blank space phase starts with the construction of a spanning tree for ordinary routing information. Correct answer is option A, initialization phase. Okay. Initialization phase starts with the construction of a spanning tree for ordinary routing information. Okay. Because initialization label corresponds to hop distance of the node from the sink and data will be transmitted. Okay. Next question. In which phase packets are forwarded hop to get closer to the sink? Here correct answer is option B, message relaying. In message relaying phase, packets are forwarded hop to get closer to the sink. Intermediate nodes keep the packet ID in their buffer during tool corresponding to the maximum delay allowed to transmit. Okay. Next question. Blank space is achieved using overhearing mechanism. Correct answer is option D, lost message detection. Lost message detection is achieved using overhearing mechanism because upon sensing the channel, if node A doesn't hear node B transmitting the packet ID to its next hop, it becomes aware that the packet has been lost and that a transmission is required. Okay. So in this way, lost message detection is achieved using overhearing mechanism. Next question. What is the last step in algorithm for reliable data transfer? Correct answer is option C, selection recovery. Selection recovery is the last step in algorithm for reliable data transfer because once a packet is detected, the ASIA mechanism relies on its routing metric to choose the best next hop for the packet retransmission. Okay. Next question. To schedule the processes, they are considered blank space. Correct answer is option B, periodic. To schedule the processes, they are considered in periodic manner. Next question. If the period of a process is P, then what is the rate of the task? Okay. This is frequently asked question. And here correct answer is option C, 1 divided by P. Okay. Means rate of task is 1 divided by period. Next question. The scheduler admits a process using busy wait pooling. Option C is correct. Next, the blank space scheduling algorithm schedules periodic tasks using a static priority policy with preemption. Correct answer is option B, rate monotonic. The rate monotonic scheduling algorithm schedules periodic tasks using a static priority policy with preemption. Okay. Next question. Rate monotonic scheduling assumes that the correct answer is option A, processing time of a periodic process is same for each CPU watch time. Okay. Correct answer is option A. Next question. In rate monotonic scheduling, a process with a shorter period is assigned a higher priority. Okay. This is very important question. I hope it's clear. Okay guys, now let's wind up the session. See you in the next video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And guys, wish you very all the best for your examination. And if you wanna any help in any subject, kindly let me know in comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.